In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in Azerbaijani. So whether you want to change the text on ChatGPT to Azerbaijani or whether you want ChatGPT to come back to you in the Azerbaijani language, in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do in order to make that happen. Now, as you can see on the left hand side here, there is no setting option, which means that ChatGPT is currently only officially available in English. However, I found a way around that. So I am using Google Chrome on the Windows PC. So if you're using a mobile phone or using a different operating system or browser, then the process might be a little bit different for you. But in either case, at the very least, please do make sure that you're using Google Chrome, because I'm not sure whether any of the other browsers have this feature. So once you're on ChatGPT, simply right click anywhere on the screen. Then click on Translate to. In my case, it's English. So to add another language, click on the three dots. Then click on Choose another language. Then on the little arrow. Then you're going to have a massive list of languages. So all I have to do is find Azerbaijani, which is right on the top. Then click on Translate. And the page is now translated in Azerbaijani. So in order to actually speak to ChatGPT in that language and get a message back from ChatGPT in Azerbaijani, all you have to do is simply talk to ChatGPT and it will revert back to you in the same language that you're using. So I did go ahead and copy a phrase from Google, which is asking, how are you? And let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. Now, in some cases, it might give you an error, like myself right now. So if that happens to you, simply refresh the page and try again. And within seconds, ChatGPT will come back to you with a response in Azerbaijani. As you can see, this is what it says. I'm not sure what this means because I don't speak the language, but yeah, that's how we use ChatGPT in Azerbaijani. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help.